Hey everybody, it's another episode of Mike Eats the Street. Guess what? I can't believe it. I'm going to go back to Popeyes Chicken and see if I can find their sandwich. Last time I went there, and I've got video of how bad that turned out. Last time I went there, I ordered a sandwich, and I got home with it, and there was no sandwich. I wasn't pleased. So I'm giving them a second chance. It's called Mike Eats the Street Popeyes Chicken Redemption. Let's see if it works.
Popeyes, how can I help?
Hey, how you doing? Can I get a classic chicken sandwich with, you got rice and beans? Oh, man.
Yeah.
Man, it's loud out here, isn't it? Okay, classic chicken sandwich, rice and beans, an 8-piece nugget.
Hold on one sec. What do you want for the side?
Rice and beans?
8-piece combo? No. Just the nuggets?
Nuggets. And what kind of dipping sauce you got with that?
We have sweet heat barbecue. We don't have honey mustard. Ranch and buffalo and blackened ranch.
Can I get 2 ranches, please?
Yeah.
And can I get a small Coke too?
Yeah.
All right, that's it.
Anything
Thank you.
else?
All right. Look at this time they gave me the sandwich. At least I think there's a sandwich in here. All right. Look how they put it. They put it in this little bag. And I'm anticipating. I have low expectations. I also ordered some beans and rice. We'll try those. And look, they gave you a biscuit. I'm not a big biscuit eater. Let me try it. Oh my goodness. All right. There's the baby right there. And there's your thumbnail. Now look at this. It looks pretty good. It's got some mayo and a pickle. We'll start off with oh. Here goes nothing. Popeyes classic chicken sandwich. I tasted the pickle. The chicken's nice and crunchy. Very salty. Are your nuggets salty? No? Maybe it's the pickle. Right? The bun is soft. I think Popeyes might have redeemed themselves. I can't believe it. It's not bad. The chicken. Let's try some of the chicken just plain. I'm trying to think if it's too salty for me. It's nice and crunchy though. They must deep fry it. It's not a bad sandwich. Remember when these first came out 2 years ago? People went nuts over them. It's a good sandwich. I wouldn't go nuts over it, but I give it a thumbs up. Popeyes, you're back in my good grace. How do you feel about that? Are you happy, honey? My wife's very happy. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thumbs up. Now, these guys are supposed to be Nolan's authentic. This is beans. This, you can smell some kind of spice in here. Maybe Cajun spices. Actually smells like kerosene. Let's try it. There it is. Oh, that's not bad. Probably some kind of Cajun spice. Oh. I can't believe it.
Can't smell it.
These are good. You want a bite? My wife wants a bite. Should I film her? No, I won't film you. It's got a good taste to it. So there's your beans and rice. So while my wife is eating my beans and rice, which is hers, it's got a little bite to it, baby. Probably a little cayenne in there. Popeyes chicken sandwich, little beans and rice. I'd say try it. They've redeemed themselves. But for more Eats the Streets, for more videos about anything about life, check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. And keep living life 365. Until next time. Keep eating the street. Peace.
Live life 365.
Now, how's yours, baby? My wife gives it a thumbs up. It's a thumbs up day. Everybody's sticking their thumb up. All right. Now, honestly, let's tell the truth. The camera's off. What do you think? Tastes like dog farts, right? No, it was really good. It's good. I really like this. Sweet Babu and Baba. Shut that off. All right. Doing good. Finally. Did you like this, or is it too hot for you?
I don't like the smell.
Yeah, it does. It smells like turpentine. That should be the end of the video right there.